Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2013 Kawasaki Z650. This bike has 8,000 miles and is offered for $59.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Brand new, these bikes retail for $73.99. So when you consider the freight and prep savings, you'll save about $2,000 on this slightly used pre-owned Z650. It's a super comfortable riding position, great look. This is the only year Kawasaki's come out with this really cool matte green color. It's been very popular. Bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change and a safety check, and she's all ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.